Hi, Jim at MarineMax Lake Norman. We've got a 2022 230 Solstice coming in on consignment, powered with a Mercury 225, 4-step boarding ladder, stainless rod holders back here on the tow bar. It does have the power bimini, blue exterior color, gray interior. Flip-flop seat here for the sun lounge. Has two brand new batteries in it, dual battery switch, built-in armrest here. Very comfortable captain's chair, in-dash Simrad chart plotter fish finder, JL Audio upgraded stereo system with amp and speakers, in-floor storage. This boat is located at MarineMax Lake Norman with only 90 hours on it. Give me a call, Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Be glad to show you this one or any of the others that we have in stock. Thank you.